Barrels, barrels! She got hit.
Hey, no, just try and hold him down.
They're moving up the left.
Yeah, they're moving up left.
That's okay.
This shit's locked, bro.
Huh? Jamming? Whoa! Watch the right side! Watch the right side! Watch the right for me! Watch the right! I got that! Watch the right side for me! Like, I need you to go down there and tell me people are moving up. Right side in the corner! Shit. Got him! Alright, Corey. Move in the container, cover me. Move into the container, cover me, okay? Hey, can you cover me then? Move into the container. Somebody cover me? Oh shit.
Hey, moving left, moving up.
Moving right, cover me, go. Thank God I'm still alive. Frank, guy on the left container. Left side. I'm gonna move left. Go. Cover, watch out, go. Hit! Dead man. Dead man. Watch that left. Damn. Right when I come around, you get shot. I was just trying to tell you, watch that left. I was just trying to. Damn, I distracted him and got him killed by accident. They won. Green team won like shit. Good job.
That was nice.
Good job, man.
Good game, man. That was a nice holder. I saw you as I came off. I just saw you pushing your way up. You got like 2 dudes off this side.
Where's Corey?
They were done. Oh yeah.
That's it?
That was good. Yeah, it was only 5 minutes. 1 shot, 1 kill. All right.
For the people who are ready.
That was fun. Where you got that dude?
Good game, you guys.
Good game.
So I have it all on camera. That's the whole. Damn, you got bleed mark on your left side of your face, man. That shit looks tough. Take this camera off.
That last one was
Well, guys,
this one and the one before.
that's what we call another good game.